Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever pondered how a balanced lifestyle can influence your overall health and productivity? Well, let's dive right in. A balanced lifestyle is not just about eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables or hitting the gym religiously. It's about creating harmony in all aspects of our lives. It encompasses nutrition, ensuring we fuel our bodies with wholesome foods; exercise, keeping our bodies fit and strong; sleep, giving our bodies time to rejuvenate; and stress management, maintaining emotional and mental well-being. These four pillars, when balanced, contribute to our overall health, boost our productivity, and enhance our happiness. They intertwine and impact each other. For instance, adequate sleep aids in proper digestion and stress management, which in turn positively affects our physical activity. Thus, the power of a balanced lifestyle is immense, extending beyond physical health to mental and emotional well-being. The journey to a balanced lifestyle starts with understanding its profound impact on our lives. Meet Emma, a 28-year-old software engineer striving to lead a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Emma was once like many of us, trapped in a cycle of unhealthy habits. Her diet was mainly composed of processed foods, full of hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Exercise was a stranger to her, and stress was a constant companion, thanks to the demands of her high-pressure job. Recognizing the toll this was taking on her well-being, Emma decided it was time for a change. She began to educate herself about nutrition, learning how to incorporate more fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into her meals. She swapped fast food for home-cooked meals and sodas for water, a simple change that made a world of difference. But it wasn't just her diet that needed a makeover. Emma understood that physical activity was a crucial component of a balanced lifestyle. She started small, with brisk walks during lunch breaks and yoga sessions in the evening. Gradually, she increased her exercise routine, adding strength training and cardio workouts to her schedule. The journey was not without its challenges. There were days when Emma struggled to resist the lure of old habits, days when the comfort of the couch seemed more appealing than the gym. But Emma remained steadfast. She understood that the road to a balanced lifestyle was not a sprint, but a marathon. Her perseverance paid off, and slowly but surely she began to see changes. More energy, better sleep, improved mood, and a newfound confidence were just a few of the benefits she experienced. Emma also realized the importance of managing stress effectively. She incorporated mindfulness techniques into her routine, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises. This not only helped her manage her stress levels, but also improved her overall mental well-being. Emma's story is one of transformation, not just of her habits, but of her entire lifestyle. It's a story of determination, commitment, and the power of small, consistent changes. It's a testament to the fact that it's never too late to embark on a journey towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Emma's story demonstrates that with determination and a well-thought-out plan, anyone can incorporate healthy habits into their lifestyle. Emma's transformation brings us to some key points to remember when striving for a balanced lifestyle. Firstly, Emma's journey underscores the significance of making gradual changes. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a healthy lifestyle. Start small, like adding more vegetables to your meals or taking a brisk walk every day. These small steps accumulate over time, leading to substantial changes in your overall health. Secondly, Emma's story highlights the importance of consistency. Whether it's in nutrition, exercise, or sleep, consistency is key. Regularly nourishing your body with wholesome food, maintaining a steady exercise routine, and ensuring a consistent sleep schedule are all integral to living a balanced lifestyle. Thirdly, we learned from Emma that self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's crucial to take time out for relaxation and stress management. Find what works for you. It could be reading a book, practicing yoga, or even simply enjoying a cup of tea in silence. Now let's discuss some practical tips. Meal planning can be a game changer. It helps you maintain a balanced diet and reduces the temptation of unhealthy, impulsive eating. Setting clear and achievable exercise goals can also keep you motivated and on track. And remember, finding effective relaxation techniques that you enjoy can make a world of difference in managing stress. A balanced lifestyle is more than just a choice. It's a commitment to your health and well-being. In the quest for balance, never underestimate the power of self-care. It's a vital tool for safeguarding mental health, managing stress, and promoting overall well-being. Self-care is about listening to your body, understanding its needs, and taking time to nourish it. It's about finding moments of tranquility amidst the hustle. It's about treating yourself with the same kindness you extend to others. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's a necessary component of a balanced lifestyle.
Let's learn new words in practice English. Hydration. Hydration, the act of keeping your body supplied with enough fluids to function properly. Example, to improve your overall health, focus on hydration by drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day. Nutrition. Nutrition, the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Example, good nutrition is not about strict dietary limitations, it's about feeling great, having more energy, and stabilizing your mood. Physical activity. Physical activity, any form of exercise or movement that uses energy. Example, incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can significantly enhance your health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Mindfulness. Mindfulness, the quality or state of being conscious or aware of something. Example, practicing mindfulness can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, making it easier to manage stress. Sleep hygiene. Sleep hygiene, practices that promote regular, restful sleep. Example, improving your sleep hygiene, such as keeping a consistent sleep schedule, can greatly benefit your overall health and well-being.
Thank you for watching. Write a comment of more than 4 words to support us, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Bye.